Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today our agenda is how to figure out the sum and average in Excel sheet. So here you can see that there is Excel sheet here and we have ID, mid and total final marks. So if you want to figure out the total marks of mid, you have to select them all like I did, and there is a function called AutoSum in formulas. You just have to click here and there you go. There's the total sum. Total sum. And also if you want to figure out the average of marks, there is a drop down here and which says average. That's the average, avg. Also you can figure out the maximum number. That's maximum number. And also you can figure out the minimum number, and that's minimum number. Also you can if you want, you can select just a bunch of them, couple of them, and you can do the AutoSum. That's all the AutoSum. They will do this in row wise, and if you want to find out the average is here. That's 40, that's 24.55, and that's 65.35. There you go. In our next video we'll show how to present this data into a graph. So until then, tata, bye bye, see you next time.